Hey everybody, it's Matt here from Skate Parts, and today we're having a look at the Impala Skate high top roller skate in the pink tartan colour. So let's whip these out of the box and have a closer look at them. Alright, so this is them. This is the Impala pink tartan skates. All round a very pink and fun looking skate. So also in the box here we've got our quad skates manual and our extended warranty card. Let's go over these boots and have a closer look at them. The Impala pink tartan roller skates are a certified vegan skate, and this is a PVC upper, heel and sole, so it's all a form of plastic. Then we've got metal eyelets running up the boot with metal loops for tightening it up around your ankle and locking your foot in. Coming down the boot, we've then got an aluminium alloy, a base plate and trucks. So that's these bits in here. Then we've got these nice pink cushions in the trucks as well that match the wheels. They're quite a firm cushion and they're designed to ride nicely, predominantly with that focus on outdoor skating, but they're going to work for you for indoor skating as well. Looking at the wheels, these are a pink 58 by 32 millimeter wheels. That's 58 mil in diameter, 32 mil wide, and they are an 82A durometer nylon core urethane wheel. So 82A is a fairly common hardness in wheels for this type of roller skate. It's a good crossover hardness for getting grip on indoor rink tracks, but also being soft enough to roll over bumps and that sort of thing in outdoor skating. So quite a versatile hardness for those, and making these a pretty good option. On the front, on the toe of the boot, we then have a polyurethane stopper, and it is the same hardness as the wheels, that 82A, same color, perfect match, and it is a screw-in style. So it is a Phillips head screw for attaching that toe stop. If we have a look a bit closer in these boots, we've got pink laces as standard, very nice. We've got the Impala roller skates logo on the top of the tongue there, and also down the back of the boot on the heel. Inside the boot, we have quite a padded, soft lining, and it's on both the back of the tongue and also in the boot itself. So the whole boot, all the way around your ankle, your heel, the back of your foot, and even down the sides, is quite padded. There is less padding as you come down into the boot further than there is on the back of the tongue and up around the ankle, but it is still quite padded, so they're quite a comfortable boot on. And if we have a look in here, the standard insole is a reasonably thick insole actually as far as high top roller skates go. Often they can be quite thin, so it does give you a decent amount of compression and cushion in there. Now, one thing I will note is this PVC upper doesn't feel like a faux leather. It does feel like a vinyl. If you are expecting a faux leather feel, you're not going to get that with this. So do expect it to feel a little bit more vinyl-y, a little bit more plasticky. But that's only on the outside of the upper. On the inside, doesn't feel like that at all. This textile lining actually feels really, really nice to touch. So these will feel really nice on. Now, make sure you double check the size charts. These are sized in US women's sizing. That's up one from UK sizing and down one from US men's sizing. So for example, if you're getting yourself a women's 6, that's a UK 5 or a US men's 7. So just something to be aware of with that. They do have quite a wide toe box compared to a lot of skates in this style. So they can be quite a good option if your foot is kind of an average or slightly wider width. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on the Impala pink tartan roller skates, make sure you check out those affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.